Hey planners, it's Tay of ShawntePlans and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be planning for the week of March 18th through the 24th, and on Wednesday it is the first day of spring, and so I'm going to use this beautiful spring kit, and this kit is by Happy Honeybee, which is a brand new shop to me. This is my first time ever using one of her kits. So on this page, we have all of our full boxes along with some quarter boxes down at the bottom. These full boxes with the flowers coming out of her socks and out of the pocket of her jeans are just so adorable to me, and I think it's just gonna be so cute. I can't wait to put those down. On this page, we've got half boxes, some quarter boxes with a beautiful print behind them, a couple flat lays, page flags, some icons, more icons down here, our bottom washi and cut washi, and I love that there's both printed and solid cut washi here. She really did a good job utilizing her space and really putting in a lot of things. We've even got some heart checklists over here. She like really packs a lot of things into each page. On this page, we've got headers, date covers, some glitter headers, a habit tracker, some very slim boxes down here. I feel like these are even thinner than a fourth box. We've got some build-do stickers and then some blank boxes here, a couple of dots that you can use. On this page, we've got full box checklists along with some quarter boxes down at the bottom here with this glitter line detail, and I just think that is so cute and fantastic. Definitely want to play up the glitter in this kit this week because I've been using a lot of foil lately and I love all of the glitter detail on this kit, so I really want to put more emphasis on using glitter this week than using foil. And then on this page, we have the little things. This is a page I'm probably not gonna get any use out of. We've got stacked habit trackers, which I don't really need because there was one single habit tracker already in the kit. We've got a Monday through Sunday tracker. I'll probably use that, although I'm not completely in love with the aesthetic of this, so I may not use that. And then we've got like some bow quarter boxes over here, and then another one of those really skinny, kind of a 1/4 box. Really happy to be trying out this shop for the first time. Let's go ahead and get started with the bottom washi. This paper is pretty thin, so I know I'm going to need to white out the lines on the bottom because I'm fairly sure that they're going to show through the sticker paper if I don't. Okay, so it's been about 2 weeks since I actually planned this spread that I am now doing the voiceover for it. And that is because, as you will see as we go throughout this week, kind of towards the weekend, I have it marked in my planner, and you'll see that I am packing because I'm getting ready to move. And I did not realize, or at least I underestimated how much moving was going to throw off my planning filming schedule. So I am now in the process of doing a little bit of catch up so that I can get these videos back up so that I'm on my usual schedule of uploading on Sundays. But as you can see, I am starting by putting down my bottom washi and date covers and page flags, all of which come from the kit. One of the things that I really like in my planner is kind of having a bit of variety from week to week, and because the kit I used the week before this had a lot of pink in it, and this kit has a lot of pink in it, one of the things I initially started to do was try to play up the other colors in the kit, the blues and the purples and the greens, and you will see me change my mind quite a few times with this sidebar specifically because of that. And I finally had to just like let it go because I felt like I was turning it into kind of a huge mess of just trying to throw in other colors just for the sake of being different, that it was turning into a spread that I wasn't really enjoying. So I'm starting my sidebar with the quote box, which says, "Wherever life plants you, bloom with grace." And I thought that was a really beautiful quote. And then I put down this blue glitter header, which is going to change, and then a quarter box. And this is where I'm creating my first section for my sidebar, which will be where I track my Instagram posts for the week. And I'm using a script that says Instagram post, and that is from ShawntePlans. And I've layered that over an Instagram icon from Artbox Stickers. And underneath there, I'm going to use one of the full box checklists from the kit, and I'm just going to cut off the 5th box because there's 5 boxes here and I only need 4 of them. Then I'm going to add some of the washi strips from the kit to use as a separator between my Instagram section and dinner section. Under the washi strips, I'm going to add a green glitter header. And when I put down the green glitter header, that was when I realized I was really enjoying the color combination of the green with this kit, a little bit more so than the blue. So you're going to see me change the first glitter header and then sidebar to green a little bit later. But then I'm putting down the Monday through Sunday tracker from the kit, and this is where I'm going to keep track of my dinners for the week. My camera was turned off while I was scattering my full boxes, guys. I am so sorry. I did finish the sidebar by adding a habit tracker from the kit and then some scripts from Nicole Hutch Designs that say dinner and workout, which is the last two sections in my sidebar. And then I just basically scattered my full boxes in my typical way, just trying to place them down strategically so they kind of cover up the lines that separate the columns into 3 rows, because I like to take each day as one whole column. And so that is basically what's going on here. So let's get back into this. Although this kit was 6 pages, it is in fact a mini kit, and there was no weekend banner that was included with this kit. So I am taking a weekend banner from the Happy Planner sticker book, and this one, it just has a cute little heart that says love the weekend. And so I'm placing that down over Saturday and Sunday and using some whiteout to make sure the lines don't show through the weekend banner. Now that I've got that down, I'm going to head back to Monday and start planning that out. Starting at the top, I'm putting down this cute little panda with her shopping cart, and this is the panda. Her name is Kona, and that's from Chic Blossom Prints. And I am just marking down that I wanted to run to Walmart, the Walmart grocery store section before work that day. And then I'm going to put down one of the printed quarter boxes from the kit. And this is where I'm going to mark approving my time card. And I'm using this cute little alarm clock that was left over from a previous kit that I used from ShawntePlans. And so I'm using that little clock, and then underneath there, I'm going to place down a half box, but first I'm going to take some white out and white out those lines, and then put down the half box from the kit along with this cute little piggy bank icon from the kit. Amanda, who is My Life Stuck on Paper, decided to do a 1-month no spin and invited me along with a few other ladies to join her on this no spin. And so I am marking down that no spin started on Monday, and I'm doing my best to stick to it. We are still in this no spin, and it is not easy. Let me tell you, there's so many things I want to buy right now. But anyways, I'm putting down a scalloped quarter box from Artbox Stickers and making a note that I needed to follow up with my HR department at work about some things. And then I'm adding a glitter header above the full box on the page, and I thought that pink glitter header went so well with this kit. That's actually from Heather Ann Plans, and her shop is closed now, which is really sad. She had some super cute stickers, so I do miss that shop, but she is closed. Then I'm adding a little telephone, and I wanted to make note to call my mom. Moving over to Tuesday, I'm putting down one of the quarter boxes from the kit that's got the little glitter detail that I think is so cute, and I just wanted to mark that it was $2 Tuesday. Wednesday is the first day of spring, and from the very first time I saw this kit, the full boxes made me think this is like the perfect kit for the first week of spring. I'm putting down some washi from the kit and then adding a Hello Spring sticker from Rose Color Days. Next, I'm putting down a quarter box from the kit along with an icon from Artbox Stickers. It's the Instagram icon, and that's where I'm going to mark my midweek post, which I always do on Wednesday mornings. Moving back to Monday, I'm going to finish out the day by adding a washi strip and this little cat who's doing yoga, which is from GV Sticker Studio, and I think her cat's name is Pella. And I'm just marking getting in a workout on Monday evening. Then on Tuesday, I'm putting down a half box from the kit along with a little circle bow icon from Artbox Stickers. I went to lunch with a couple of my coworkers, and then we went over to T-Mobile because we all happened to have T-Mobile, and they were doing T-Mobile Tuesdays, and the giveaway was an umbrella, which actually worked out well because it did rain the next day. Next time, I'm putting down a quarter box to remind myself to go to Kohl's. They have the Amazon returns inside of Kohl's, and which is really handy. I ordered some slides on Amazon for my upcoming vacation, and they did not fit, so I needed to return them. So I ended up going to Kohl's to return the slides to the Amazon pop-up shop and then picking up some new slides at Kohl's, which worked out well because I was able to try them on, which kind of made me wish I had just gone to Kohl's in the first place. But the returns is very handy. At the bottom of the page, I am putting down a glitter page flag from Artbox Stickers and a fold laundry icon from GP Sticker Studio. I have that page flag kind of offset in the box because I didn't need the full thing, so I'm just trimming it down with my ruler and craft knife. Then I'm going to add a scalloped circle icon from Regina Laughs, which I think these icons are just adorable. I really love them. And I'm layering a little camera icon from Artbox Stickers on top of that, and I wanted to mark filming my plan with me. I needed to assist one of my coworkers with a project at work, so on Wednesday I'm putting down a half box and adding one of the little work desk icons from GP Sticker Studio, and then I'm just going to make note of that project that I wanted to ensure that I got done on Wednesday. I'm adding some of the solid washi from the kit above that full box on Wednesday, and I want to use an icon from GP Sticker Studio, and this is actually from one of her freebies, and I love when freebies include really functional icons that you can actually pull into your spreads. And this little cleaning bucket I'm using to mark cleaning out my refrigerator. Above that, I'm going to add a scalloped quarter box from Artbox Stickers and then layer a kettlebell and water bottle from GP Sticker Studio to mark my workout for that day. The kit came with this adorable planning themed flat lay, which I am putting down on Thursday nights, which are my usual planning nights. Then I'm going to add a work header from the kit right underneath the full box at the top of the page. And this is where I'm going to create a short checklist of a couple of things I wanted to make sure I got done for work. So I'm taking one of the 4 heart checklists from the kit and cutting it down into 2 because I only needed 2 of the hearts as a little reminder for myself. And I do take my planner with me to work every day, so it is very handy to highlight certain things I want to make sure I focus on that day at work. And then I am taking some white out and whiting out the lines. I'm going to add a half box underneath that checklist. I did have my annual review with my manager at work, so I had an appointment that day with her at 4, and so I am writing that down in the half box and adding the little alarm clock that came with the kit. I really enjoy using little clocks to mark meetings and different things like that in my spreads. I had this YouTube icon left over from a previous kit that I'd used, which was perfect and matched perfectly with that shade of green. And I'm putting that down and then making note that I wanted to do some filming and also organize and put away some of my stickers because my planning desk was a bit of a mess, to say the very least. On the top of Friday, I'm putting down a washi strip from the kit along with one of the quarter boxes right underneath there. And then I'm going to layer this cute little money sack icon from Regina Laughs and just marking that it is payday, the best day of the week. Instead of making another checklist on Friday, I actually decided to use a half box to mark down some of the things I wanted to get done for work. So I'm putting down the half box from the kit, adding another one of those circle bow icons from Artbox Stickers because they are just my favorite. I really love that icon. It just feels so general and I can use it for a lot of different things. And then I am just making note of some things that I had to get done for work. Adding another one of those pink glitter headers, which I don't think I mentioned, but the green glitter headers I've been using are also from HeatherAnnPlans. Then I'm putting down another quarter box from the kit and grabbing some balloons from a leftover sticker kit that I used. For Employee Appreciation Month, which was the month of March at my job, my manager in our department decided to give us all the option of taking one early day in the month of March, and this was the day that I chose, so it was an awesome day, and I marked that with balloons because I was going home early and I was happy about it. And I actually decided to spend the day hanging out with my mom. So at the bottom of the page, I'm putting down a quarter box along with this little girl, and I just thought it was kind of cute, from planner Pixie Co, and I just marked a girls' night in, hang out with my mom because her birthday was at the beginning of the month and I didn't get a chance to really spend time with her, so I really wanted to hang out, spend some time with her. And then I'm adding this little push pin icon on Thursday. I thought it was a really great compliment to my little work section there. I'm adding some glitter headers to the top of Saturday and Sunday, and then I'm going to pull in another one of those scallop circles from Regina Laughs, and I can already tell this is going to be a favorite icon of mine. This is my first week using them, but they're really versatile, and I like the fact that I can use them to mark a lot of different things. And so here I am marking just sleeping in on Saturday morning, and the pillow and script are from Artbox Stickers. And then I'm placing down a quarter box from the kit, and I just wanted to mark going to Home Depot to pick up some moving supplies because Saturday was going to be my packing day. And above that, I placed down a script sticker from Nicole Hutch Designs that says pay bills, which usually happens on the Saturday after the Fridays that I get paid. Yeah, as we all know, when you're an adult, you get money and then it goes right back out. And then I am adding a half box and using the little YouTube icon from the kit. And I just wanted to mark editing my plan with me and uploading a haul video. I did actually get that haul video uploaded, did not get a chance to edit that plan with me or record this voiceover, as I am now recording it 2 weeks later. But I had the best of intentions. At the bottom of the page, I'm putting down another one of those glitter page flags along with a nail polish bottle from Artbox Stickers and just marking painting my nails. I am a pre-planner, so sometimes things will be marked in my planner that don't actually get done, as you see me here putting down this quarter box where I'm marking my usual upload days for my plan with me's. If things don't happen according to plan in my planner, I'm usually pretty chill about it. That's just kind of my personality, and basically I'll just put it down on the following week and try again. Underneath there, I'm using a binge watch script sticker from ShawntePlans and adding another one of those glitter headers along with a washi strip from the kit, where I'm layering on top of that the little Pella cat in the laundry basket from GP Sticker Studio. And then I'm adding another one of those glitter page flags along with this workout shoe sticker from GP Sticker Studio, which was from a leftover kit. And that pretty much finishes up my spread. I did add that little laptop girl sticker next to the binge watch and added a little icon because I did a little shopping on Friday. And that finishes my spread for the week. Thank you so much for watching all the way to the end of the video, and it is time for our sneak peek at next week's kit. Next week will be March 25th through the 31st, so it is the last week of the month. We are ending the month of March already, and the kit that I will be using is by Chic Blossom Prints, and it is her Home Vibes kit, and it is gorgeously foiled with silver foil, and it is so beautiful. I cannot wait to use this kit, and I'm really excited. As usual, the video for this plan with me will go up on Sunday the 31st, so I hope you guys will come back and join me for that plan with me. Thank you again for watching. I hope you're having an amazing day, and I will see you next video. Bye.